Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Telegram lagging on PC step by step so you can get back to smooth messaging without any annoying delays. First, let's change the graphics backend in Telegram. This setting controls how Telegram uses your system's graphics, and switching it can help reduce lag. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Click the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner to open the side panel. Now, click on Settings to access all Telegram preferences. Next, click on Advanced. This section contains performance-related options. Scroll down until you see the Performance section and click on Angle Graphics Backend. From the list that appears, select Direct3D 11. It often works better on Windows systems. Click Restart to apply the changes. Telegram will close and reopen automatically. If Telegram is still lagging after the restart, repeat the steps until you reach the Angle Graphics backend again. This time, select Disabled from the list of options. Click Restart once more and check if the lag has improved. Now let's try clearing Telegram's cache. Too much cache data can slow things down. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Click the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Then click on Settings to open the main preferences. Click on Advanced, just like we did before. Next, click on Manage Local Storage. This shows how much space Telegram is using. Finally, click on Clear All to remove all cached files and free up memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more quick and easy fixes.